show you how to make a Lego quad bike. So I'll show you start now. First you get one of these kind of blue bits. Then get two black parts. Put one here and one here. Next, put two bits like this on it. After that, put some wheels on. Oops. Next, so now put this part here. Then put this one here. So next, get two blue parts like this, and then put it here on the sides. Yeah. Now put one of these here, and put one of these here. Oops. Now, put a police sign up like that, and then put this in front. So now, put this thing here, and put this here like that, and then put two blue parts on here. Then get a man like this. Then twist his hands like that, and then put these on and make sure he's holding. Now, what you need to do now is put him inside here, and put that in there, and now you've got your Lego quad bike. But this is not a pull back thing. You just have to push, and that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.